Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to stop sharing Facebook stories on Instagram. We start by opening our Facebook app. After that, click on the account icon and then on the top settings and privacy icon. Next, click on the Account Center option. Then, within the Connected Experiences category, click on Sharing across profiles. Here we choose the Facebook account to configure. Finally, we will see the Facebook options that we are automatically sharing on Instagram, and we can deactivate them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.